Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you're looking for an efficient way to organize your little one's closet, you're gonna wanna check out these clothes hangers from Mosearon. They are so adorable. I love the green color and the little teddy bear up front. It does come out a bit because the coolest feature about these clothes hangers is that they can attach to one another so that you can hang one on top of the other, taking most advantage of your small space. I love that you can also extend these shoulders out so that they will grow with your baby as well as they enter into bigger sizes of toddler clothing. I love how organized the closet looks with these hangers and how you're able to fit so many outfits off of one hanger. Here I have used 3 of them, and that's the perfect length for where our poles are, and they stack together really nicely too. So if you're in the market for a space-saving solution for your little one's closet, definitely check out Mosearon. You're gonna love the colors that they have. The little designs are so cute. These durable little hangers are gonna be a great addition to your little one's closet, and that's my point of view.